Alright, we're going to do a little refresher course on how to put letters on blocks so we can keep going with our name block project and end up by creating a key ring, kind of like the one you see here on the screen. So I'm going to go to the letter I up in the corner, click on New, and double click Standard IPT. That's a parts file. We're just making a new part. Now I'm going to click on Start 2D Sketch. I'm going to choose a window to work in, so I'm just going to quickly click on any of those windows. I should see the graph paper background, and now I can start drawing. So to make a square, I'm going to find the rectangle button at the top, click anywhere on the screen, and then move my mouse just that I can see which way the square or rectangle is going to start moving. So instead of clicking again, I do notice that there are small boxes on either side that give me the dimensions of this figure. So I'm going to use my keyboard to type in a 1, and I should see the box on the bottom of that rectangle changes to a 1, and I want to change the other side to a 1, so I'm going to click the Tab button on my keyboard, press a 1 again, and now press Enter. I should notice that the dimensions of this object are on the screen. There's 1 inch across, 1 inch tall. That's perfect. So to finish this, I find the green check mark that says Finish Sketch. To make it three-dimensional, I click the button that says Extrude. I make sure that says 1 inch. It does. And I click OK. Now, I need to choose a side to draw a letter on. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to click this side. And then I'm going to go back up to Start 2D Sketch. And it should turn towards me, so I have that face to write on, and I notice that the graph paper is in the background again. Now I'm going to use these drawing tools to draw a letter or a number and then extrude it to make it three-dimensional. Let me pick the line tool to start. I think instead of doing a letter, I'm going to do the number 3. So in my head I'm trying to imagine what the letter 3 looks like. I start drawing it out. And then I know it's round on the bottom. So instead of a line, I'm going to go up and choose the arc tool. And to use the arc, I'm going to find the beginning and the end of that line and then curve it in the middle. So I'm going to click. I'm going to find where I want that arc to end and click. Move my mouse to the center, and then I can bow that arc out. That looks pretty good. Now let me try to copy that same shape again on the inside. So I'm going to go back to the line tool. Find the green dot to show me I'm at the end of the line. I'm going to try to create this best I can. Doesn't have to be perfect. Let's go back to the arc tool. Match the arc here. Maybe there. And bow it in the center. It's starting to look like a 3. I need to use the line tool one last time. I'm going to go from the beginning to the end. Click Finish Sketch. Now extrude. I know that it goes way out, so I can grab the end of that gold arrow, get it just about where I want it. Looks nice. Click OK. And then the final finishing touch is to color it. So if I click on that 3, go up to the top where it says Default, and choose a color that I can make that. Let's make it something nice and shiny. And there you have it, the number 3.